Today we're looking at a balancer installer. It's a cheaper one. I think it was like $20. Comes with 2 washers. And you could buy one of these if you're just working at home and don't need a fancy one. Here's your thrust bearing. It's just a little ball bearings in there. And 2 washers, and that's where the bearings ride on. And it actually spins really smooth. So that's your washer, and then we have your nut. And here's your bolt. And basically how you use it, you just get your bearing together. You can use either 2 or just 1. Put them in there. That way when you put in your bolt in there, these washers are going to be pushing against the balancer. So you put your bearing in there, and then you put your nut in there. And basically just go in there. Yeah, the threads are not really smooth in here. There you go. Had a spot that it was catching. It was probably right there on the start. But right there they feel pretty good. So you basically hold this right here, hold the bolt, and then start threading your nut in there, and it's gonna start pushing the balancer inside. And then you gotta keep holding this. So hold this and then start pushing, and it's gonna look something like that. Like I said, you can use 1 washer or both of them. And it comes with 2, and here's your thrust bearing. Nice little case for your bolt. But yeah, that's just a cheap balancing installer that you can buy just to keep at home, just in case you need to do something fast or something. It will do the job. Thanks for watching.